Hello world, this is What's Up 290, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you some handy new features in Gmail that will allow you to send self-destructing emails or time an email to automatically send on a specific time and date to someone. So, sorry that it's cropped like this, but I kind of didn't really want to share my emails with YouTube. So that's why it's cropped like that. So let's say I'm in the Gmail website or app and I have a new email I want to send that's either confidential or will automatically send on a certain day. To send a confidential email, what I need to do is click Turn Confidential Mode on or off. And then what will happen is it'll come up with a message saying confidential mode. You can't see it because I have it cropped. But it'll come up with an email saying confidential mode, options for recipients to forward, copy, or print or download the email will be disabled. And it will give you an option for how much time you want to set before the email expires. You will also be given the option to give them an SMS passcode. In which they will not be able to open the email at all until they provide the phone number that you tell Gmail to lock the email with. And once that date is passed, they will not be able to access them, or their email provider will not be able to access the message anymore. So there we go. And to schedule an email to send automatically on a specific date, what we need to do is go down to the send button, click the arrow, click schedule send, and for me it's just popping up with an error message saying please specify a recipient because I haven't put one in. But what will happen here is it will ask you for a date and time to automatically send the email, so that you don't have to, if you have an email you want to send in the future but you think you might not have enough time on that date, well then ahead of time you can just go to your Gmail account and sign in and schedule Gmail to send that email automatically on that specific time and date. So that's about it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, leave a like, comment, subscribe. This is What's Up 290, and I'm signing off. Have a nice day, and I'll see you next video.